Finally, green mangoes, yung hilaw dapat. Tapos, ginisang bagoong from the Isla brand. First time to. Hindi ko pa to natatry dati. Bon appetit, pasties! So, sana masarap tong brand na to. But, yeah, here you go. Manggang hilaw plus bagoong na ginisa. Ang asim. You wanna try?
Sure.
This is sour.
No, try this piece.
Okay. That's barely anything.
Well, very sour.
Very sour.
Spicy or something.
Is it? How's the shrimp taste?
Oh, that's the spiciness.
I don't think it's supposed to be spicy. It doesn't have chili.
Cut.
Whoopsie!
Masarap.
Masarap. Sobrang asim. Yung alamang, masarap siya. Pero naalala ko yung mga kaibigan ko dati, gumagawa sila ng sarili nilang ginisang bagoong. At feeling ko mas masarap pa yun. Tsaka meron ako ditong chili garlic oil. Binigay ito ng kaibigan ko from work. So this is made of ghost pepper. So kung familiar kayo sa ghost pepper, it's like one of the spiciest chilies in the world. Gumawa siya ng chili garlic oil from that one. Okay, kukuha tayo ng ganito kadami. Ito madami na to, sobrang anghang na dapat to. Pero medyo mataas ang heat tolerance natin, kaya kaya yan. Okay, ihahalo ko lang siya sa may bagoong or sa may ginisang alamang. And halo ko lang siya. So, I really like yung maanghang na sausawan, like asin na may sili, ganyan. So, ito, alamang at sili to. Gosh, medyo maasim tong ang asim nitong mangga. This is Hayden mango ng Hawaii. Nami-miss ko ng Indian mango, guys. Tapos hindi siya crisp. Ito medyo ano siya eh, parang yung version ng pahinog na. So, parang hindi na siya crisp, medyo malambot. So, ayan.